I'm also going to make a smoothie, so I will pick this one. I have this one and this one. So for my smoothie, I'll have this. That's my smoothie. I'm gonna make a smoothie for lunch. Smoothie for lunch. My snacks. Now I'm ready to do my smoothie. Prepping my smoothie. Making some smoothie. It's a mixture of fruits. Strawberry, grapes, peaches, pineapple. I'm going to use my protein powder. This one is almost done. So I want to use it all. Still raining a little, but not as crazy as earlier on. This one's empty for the recycle bin. I have a backup. We have any issues? Let's see. New protein powder package. Come with a scoop right here. And then you scoop, and there is a scraper in here to scrape. I love that. That's done. And that's the milk. Now it is time to blend. I'm gonna have this. This is going to be for my lunch. This smoothie is going to be lunch for me today. Oh, the rain is finally going away somewhere. I gotta cover this. This comes here. Next side. Right here. Prepping. Making me a smoothie. Smoothie's done. This is the motor. That piece does a lot. All smooth. Look in the. My son made me this glass years ago when he was in high school. It's a Happy Mother's Day. I haven't used it much, but I'm gonna put my smoothie in here today. Take a look. That'll be my lunch smoothie. The rest of the smoothie, what I do, I freeze it. I put it in the freezer like this, and when I'm ready to use it, it's already all done. It's gonna be a delicious lunch. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.